Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to configure a Kanban board in Jira. First, log into your Jira account. Once you're in, go to the project that contains your board. Click on the board to open it. Now, click the three dots beside the board name and select Board Settings. Inside Board Settings, the first section is General Settings. Here you can rename your board, change its location, update the filter query used to pull in issues, and set a time frame for how long completed issues remain on the board before being automatically hidden. Next, go to Working Days. Here you can set the time zone for your board, define standard working days, and add non-working days like holidays to help with more accurate reporting. Next, under the Timeline tab, you can enable the timeline view, choose whether to display child-level work items like subtasks or stories under epics. Now let's configure the board layout, starting with columns. You can view and manage the statuses associated with your workflow. Add new columns by naming them and assigning a status category, like To Do, In Progress, or Done. Set minimum and maximum issue limits per column to manage work in progress. Optionally, set a resolution to track when issues are considered done. Now, you can add unmapped statuses, which are statuses that exist in your workflow but aren't currently displayed on your board. Next is swim lanes. Swim lanes allow you to visually group issues on your board. You can create swim lanes based on criteria like stories, assignees, epics, and queries. This helps break down the board into clearer segments for better organization. In card colors, you can assign colors based on priorities, issue types, and queries. Now go to Priorities. This helps quickly identify different categories at a glance and makes your board easier to scan visually. Under Card Layout, you can choose which fields are visible on your issue cards. You can also enable time tracking to show how long a card has stayed in a particular column, which is great for identifying bottlenecks. Last is go to Quick Filters. Quick Filters allow you to create buttons that filter the board based on certain conditions, like issues assigned to you, high priority tasks, or specific labels. You can create a new filter using JQL, which is Jira Query Language, for more control. And that's it. That's how you configure a Kanban board in Jira. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.